We offer a solution for Photoshop users of all skill levels, addressing any challenge they may face. Challenge 1: Learning Photoshop can be time-consuming. Challenge 2: I lack a structured workflow in my editing process. Challenge 3: I have color deficiency. Challenge 4: Frequency separation can be time-consuming and complex. Challenge 5: The dodge and burn process is time-consuming and intricate. Challenge 6: Refining skin without sacrificing texture, ensuring a natural appearance. Challenge 7: Enhancing makeup, hair, and facial features while maintaining a natural and realistic appearance through editing. Challenge 8: How can I effortlessly correct white balance and color discrepancies to achieve a natural look? Challenge 9: Applying precise fixes by harnessing luminosity, darks, lights, midtones, and color ranges. Challenge 10: Effortlessly achieving intricate adjustments with a single click, ensuring precision and ease. Challenge 11: Having a comprehensive collection of one-click tools for precise and accurate adjustments, all conveniently accessible in one place. For any photo editing challenge, we have a solution. Solution: Gizmo Panel version 2.0 at www.gizmopanel.com. Gizmo Panel, the groundbreaking Photoshop plugin, promises to revolutionize your editing workflow regardless of your skill level, charting the course for the future of editing. The most exciting aspect of Gizmo Panel is that we offer a 30-day free trial, ensuring that you have absolutely nothing to lose while enjoying all the incredible benefits it provides.